The Prime Minister addressed 4 rallies in poll-bound Bihar and will address 13 more in the next 5 days as part of his massive push in the state ahead of 3 phases of the assembly elections that are yet to see polling. The BJP also released another sting of a sitting JDU MLA accusing the party of corruption.
Rally for rally, barb for barb, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar took on each other in various public meetings across Bihar, as both make a last-minute push before the last 3 phases of polling. Prime Minister Modi brought up a video released by BJP leader and Central Minister Giriraj Singh on Saturday that shows Nitish Kumar with a man the BJP calls a तांत्रिक.
अगर यही करना है तो आपकी पार्टी का नाम भी तो बदल दो, राष्ट्रीय जादू टोना दल। लोक तांत्रिक नीतीश जी का क्या होगा पता नहीं। लोक तांत्रिक नीतीश बाबू बिहार को तांत्रिकों की जरूरत नहीं है।
फैसला आपको करना है कि बिहार को चलाएगा कौन, बिहारी चलाएगा या बाहरी चलाएगा। फिर से बोलिए, बिहार को कौन चलाएगा? तो अगर बिहारी चलाएगा तो हम तो बिहारी उपलब्ध हैं ही आपको, तो फिर बाएं दाएं देखने की क्या जरूरत है। सब बाहरी लोगों को सलाम करके विदा कर दीजिए, कहिए कि जाइए अपना काम देखिए।
The offensive wasn't limited to rallies. The BJP released footage of this alleged sting operation carried out on a sitting JDU MLA who was allegedly caught on camera accepting bribes in return for favors if elected. The MLA himself, Satyadev Kushwaha, denied accepting any money. But Prime Minister Modi also had a lot of firefighting to do, as the BJP struggles to contain the furor and attacks from Nitish and Lalu over RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat's remark that he favors a review of country's reservation policy.
हम लोग तो चाहते हैं कि बैकवर्ड कम्युनिटीज जितनी हैं वो उभर कर सामने आए, राजनीतिक ताकत भी उनके पास आए, आर्थिक ताकत तो उसके बाद आएगी ही, उसका एक स्वाभाविक परिणाम होगा। और इसलिए बीजेपी हमेशा बैकवर्ड फ्रेंडली रही है।
One issue that Nitish Kumar and Lalu Yadav have attacked Narendra Modi with in the past is Bihari versus Bahari, saying that both Narendra Modi and Amit Shah are outsiders. That's something that Narendra Modi sought to address today. In fact, he used youth and migration to talk about this entire Bihari versus Bahari issue.
But one headache the BJP could not avoid was a series of tweets by BJP MP Shatrughan Sinha, who said that his absence on the campaign trail in the state was not by choice. An NDTV